The bubble chart in Plotly is created using the scatter plot. It can be created using the scatter method of plotly.express. A bubble chart is a data visualization which helps to display multiple circles, are also called bubbles, in a two-dimensional plot as same in scatter plot. A bubble chart is primarily used to depict and show relationships between numeric variables. We can see the example code here. So this contains, we are just taking the iris data into a data frame. After the data frame is given like x and y values from here, and from this whichever the columns, whichever the data from there, x is chosen sepal width and sepal length, and color is a species. The four species are chosen, and size is the petal length, and hover data. Hovering also option will be given in the bubble chart. Like hovering means whenever you hover particular bubbles, right, wherever that corresponding information will be given. If you observe, these bubbles also having the corresponding length and width about the based on the data information. That here hover data is chosen as a petal width, right? The petal width is a considered as the corresponding bubble size. Okay.